Hey guys, coming at you late at the end of the day today. So Ian and I have had a full day of a lot. We went and dropped off my car this morning because my engine light came on. Come to find out, I need to change a canister that's going to cost like $600. They said it's not like a huge thing right now, but I have to get it done in the next couple months or so. So that's fun. And then we ran some errands while my car was getting fixed. We came home, we got a lot of cleaning done, so we're getting there. We have friends coming over for dinner tonight, so we're trying to get like the downstairs area especially situated because we don't want it to look like chaos, even though they understand that we just moved in. But I'll show you what we've done so far. So that's our little section over there. We don't have a coffee table yet because Ian's got to build us a new one because our current coffee table, we like retired it to the patio. So it's actually out here. So that's our old coffee table, our old side table. So we retired it to the outside. But yeah, the patio's looking cute too. Got little plants. Kitchen's coming along. Have my little aromatherapy going, and then candle over there. It's looking good. I'm working on getting this cleared off right now. These boxes, I think one of them has to go in the garage, and then 3 of them are going upstairs. This I'm almost done with getting cleaned off. I just lit a candle over there. I have to put that away. This is also a temporary dining room table. It's not even a dining table. It's like a desk that we got like as a hand-me-down. Our current coffee table doesn't fit in this spot. Like, I think it actually is the entire, like, it from that end of the staircase to there. Like, that's the size of our coffee table, so we can't put it there because it takes up too much space. So Ian has to rebuild a new one. So that's why we have this up here temporarily, like with some giant stools. So yeah, it's coming along. I mean, it looks good. And we hung some photos up here in the hallway. So we're trying to make it look like a home, like, you know, hung our moon over here. And then eventually I'm gonna get like a little table that goes here, like a little buffet, like bar cart type thing. And it'll go in this area right here. So yeah. So I didn't film anything tonight. We're going to bed now. Christine and George came over for dinner and they just left. So we're just blowing out all the candles, turning off the TV and electronics, and we're gonna go to sleep. I have to get up early because I have to work tomorrow. It's my first day doing this like 1 day a week job thing. So it's gonna be fun, I guess. I'm nervous. But yeah, so we're gonna go to sleep. But I'm sorry I didn't film too much today. I know that you guys got to see like our cleaning stuff, but that was about it. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film tomorrow just with like working all day, but I will try my best to like film some stuff for you guys. So I'll see you then. Bye.